So today I'm in Fletcher Moss Gardens, and this is going to be my local run along the River Mersey through Didsbury and over to Chorlton and then back again. So hopefully you enjoy this. So I've just got to the point where I usually head off back onto the road when I'm doing a 10k, but this is Darley Avenue pumping station that United Utilities have. It helps prevent Didsbury from flooding, pumps about 7,000 litres a second of stormwater into the River Mersey. So when I was a graduate engineer, I was involved in the detailed design of that screening chamber there, which helps improve the River Mersey pollution as well.